Welcome to my channel. The motorcycle glides into frame, every fiber of its design whispering luxury and precision. You immediately sense that this isn't just a bike, it's a dream made real for the open road. Although not yet confirmed by Honda, the 2026 Gold Wing GCT is imagined here as the next evolution of a legendary touring machine. It's powered by an 1833cc flat-six engine that's been tuned to perfection. The exhaust note is deep and refined, promising effortless cruise and surge when you twist the throttle. In this vision, Honda has flavored it with a subtle hybrid assist to give extra torque from standstill, and better fuel economy on long rides. Shifting through the gears is handled by an advanced 8-speed DCT dual-clutch transmission. It's smooth, almost invisible, blending gear changes seamlessly so you stay focused on the road and scenery instead of shift patterns. You feel confidence even in corners thanks to an enhanced semi-active suspension system that adjusts in real time. It lowers itself on open highways and firms up on winding stretches, compensating for road imperfections and passenger weight. The control suite is undeniably modern. The LCD dash evolves into a smart HUD, overlaying navigation cues and ride metrics right in your line of vision. It seems intuitive enough that after a few rides, you barely even look down to check your map. Comfort feels thought through down to the last stitch. The seats are plush and heated, with adjustable backrests for both rider and pillion. Ergonomics are flawless, your posture feels natural and fatigue is kept at bay, even after hundreds of miles. Storage stays king here, twin-side case trunks and a monumental top trunk push the total cargo space well beyond 150 liters. Whether it's camping gear or commuting supplies, you'll pack everything without worrying about balance or reach. The hybrid's battery pack sits discreetly under the seat, with a hidden port for plug-in charging. You imagine a rapid charge capability, an hour to juice up, or a few hours on a household 120V. The electric assist kicks in soft at low speeds and blends out seamlessly at cruising pace. A quick cruise test might clock from 0 to 60 in around 3.5 seconds in its most aggressive mode, something you'd never believe from a bike built for comfort. Top speed probably creeps near 135 miles per hour, but the real thrill is the smooth pull all along the rev range. Rider aid systems include adaptive cruise that tracks vehicles ahead, lane keeping assist that nudges the bars safely if drift starts, and blind spot monitoring with gentle vibration in the grips. The tech feels supportive, not intrusive. The bodywork is sculpted, sharp yet elegant. Full coverage fairings cut through wind with grace, while integrated LED lighting sweeps forward like watchful eyes. Paint options include a deep metallic blue and a satin platinum, both paired with brushed aluminum accents that speak of touring comfort rather than flash. Price feels premium, but it aligns with what Honda tends to offer at the top of its lineup. Let's imagine it around $35,000 to $40,000. For what you're getting, refined power, hybrid efficiency, luxury comfort, and smart features, it feels justified. Honda hasn't confirmed the GCT's release, but you could confidently expect something unveiling mid-2026. That timing aligns with typical press cycles and provides enough runway for production. Dealers might begin showing demos by late 2026, with bikes landing customer garages in early 2027. This machine isn't just about getting from A to B, it's about redefining the journey. Every mile becomes memorable, wrapped in silence and strength, with tech that adjusts to you, not the other way around. You wrap up with one last thought: whether you're chasing sunsets on the highway or plotting a multi-state adventure, the 2026 Gold Wing GCT, in this vision, is the pinnacle of touring. It blends luxury, performance, and futuristic flair, hoping to carry forward the Gold Wing's legacy with a bold, electrified flourish.